In this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple ways to make money on Fiverr, even if you have no skills. Now, the best part about this is I'm going to show you 7 gigs that are perfect for beginners. So even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to actually go and make money on Fiverr after watching this tutorial. And these are also super easy to do. So what I've done is I've actually handpicked the best ways to make money on Fiverr that are easy to start. They don't require any skill. And I'm actually going to show you how to do this using completely free tools. So you won't need to spend any money on doing this. I'm going to actually show you every single gig, and then I'm going to show you how you can do it using free tools that you can find online. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is, it's a simple website online where you can go and upload gigs and people pay you for doing simple things. Now, you can do this as a side hustle if you like, or people actually make a full-time living online by making money on Fiverr. So it's a very good website to go and make some money, and I'm going to show you the best, simplest ways to actually do this without any skill. Now, before we jump into this video, we need to do the quick giveaway. If you're new here, it's simple. All you've got to do is smash that like button, and then down below, write in the comment section, Fiverr is the best because, finish the sentence, and you could win access to every single one of my courses. We announce the winner in the next video, so make sure you subscribe so you know if you are a winner or not on the next video. So let's jump into this video. I'm going to show you exactly the best gigs to make money with on Fiverr and how you can do it using free tools. All right, guys, so this is the first method that you can actually do to go and make some income with Fiverr. Now, this is one of my favorites. It's called actually going and helping people with the branding and also creating domain names or company names for their business. So if you go into the brand name section and you scroll down, so you can just type in brand name and you scroll down, I will think of amazing original name ideas. I will brainstorm original 5 effective taglines and business names. I will name your brand, business, or startup, book, product, or website. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can you go out and do this? Like, you don't know how to think of names. You have no idea how to do branding and stuff like that. It's actually very simple. So you could start a gig and you could say, hey, I'll give you 5 or 10 name ideas for your business, company, or brand. And you can actually go and use a website called businessnamegenerator.com. And for example, I could put in something like social. So kind of ask what their brand is about or what it's about. So let's say someone wants us to go and think of a name for their social media marketing course or something. We could put in social, we could go generate, and we could actually go out and generate multiple different names for companies. So here's one here, Social Forge, or something like, you got to kind of think of something that's kind of, catchy, like Social Spark, Social Trend, Social Fuse, Social Buzz, Social Drip. You go out and think of these names, and then you go and give these names to these people looking for company names. And you can simply go and do that by starting a gig and just go and sort of replicate what these guys have actually done. Very simple one to do. Now, the next one is called SEO. Now, what this means is people want to go and rank their websites at the top of Google for specific keywords. What you can actually do is you can give these guys what we call an audit report, where you can go and audit their specific website and send the report to them, and then they can see what kind of search engine optimization mistakes they have on their pages and websites. So you can do this with a free tool as well. So you can start a gig doing this, and then you can go to a website called sitechecker.pro, and you go and actually put in the website here and go analyze, and then you let it analyze. Like, you literally let this free tool do all the work for you. Okay, so I'll let that do its thing. But essentially, you're going to start a gig, and you can see here where it says, I will create a SEO audit report and action plan. I will provide a professional SEO audit report. And you can simply send these reports, and if you want to go learn about search engine optimization, you can also give them some tips and tricks on how to improve their websites. So for example here, I could download this PDF, and I could actually go and send it to these people that pay me to do this, right? This is super easy. So we have one critical thing we need to look at, and we have 41 warnings. So you can go down here and you can actually see that 2 of my pages have missing alt text. What that means is images on those specific pages have missing keywords that should be in there, which is quite important. And you can actually go, you can see things that are not doing very well on this specific page. So you can go and actually send this audit and this report to people who are actually paying for this. So that's a real simple one that you can do. Just make the report and send it to them and kind of give them some tips on what's wrong with their website, and you can go and learn what to look for. The next one is a real simple one, and this is called user testing. Essentially, so this guy here, I will do user testing, website testing, and user UI and UX review. I will user test your website. What this means is you can actually go out and you can test things for people. So for example, I have a website called ecomturbo.com. It's a Shopify theme that I promote, right? Now, what I do, and I've done this, is I actually go and hire people to test the product and beta test it so I can find out if there's any bugs that we need to fix. So this is a great example. I would come to Fiverr.com, and I've actually done this. I would find someone and I would pay them $5, $10, $20, $30 to test my product for me. And it's usually digital products, websites. And what they do is they just go through the product, see how it works and see how it functions, and pick up on any bugs or mistakes or problems with that website, product, or software. Next one is background removal service. So you can actually essentially upload a gig. I will remove backgrounds, and I will remove backgrounds. So these people will remove backgrounds from images for $5, $10, $20, right? Now you might be thinking, but I need Photoshop for that. I don't have any money to do that. I don't have something like Photoshop. You don't need Photoshop. You can actually go and do this for free online right now. And I'll show you, I actually have a good example that we can use. So let's say that, hey, I've got a gig going. Someone's like, paid me $5 to remove a background. I can go over to remove BG. So this is called remove.bg, and I can upload an image. Now I have a pretty good image here that we can upload. So we're going to upload this image because it's a nice clean background. Okay. And then we're going to let it do its thing. It's uploading. This is a completely free tool to use, and there's lots of other ones online that you can use as well, in case for some reason this one doesn't work for you. And then all I've got to do is download the image, or I can download it in HD, and then I can go and actually send it to those people who have paid me for that service. So really good way to go and make some money on Fiverr. So if you want to learn how to make money on Fiverr, this is actually a really good gig because it's nice and quick, it's easy, and make sure they send you good photos that have clean backgrounds, because some of these programs, it can be hard to remove some backgrounds if there's heaps of stuff going on, like heaps of plants in the background or buildings or something like that. It can be a little bit difficult to remove, but you can go and use this super simple free website, free tool that you can use to remove backgrounds to make some money on Fiverr with your gig. The next one is transcribing. What this means is you can upload your gig and people will send you audio and videos to transcribe into text. Now I'm going to show you a trick on how you can actually do this really, really quickly, okay? So let's say, for example, this is one of my videos and I want to turn this video into text, and I pay you to do that. This is what you want to do. You want to go over to Google Documents. So go into Google and write Google Documents and then start a new document. So I'll show you how to do that. Click on the blank thing here. Start a new document, go to Tools, and then go to Voice Typing. What you want to do then is you want to play the file, the audio file. So I'm going to go and play this video. Complete beginners. Now this is going to be a step. And then click this. Uncensored, completely free tutorial / course, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know to go and build your own profitable email list in your online business. Now, why is this video the best for you in 2021? Now, as you see, I played that video and it literally typed it out for me because it actually could pick up the sound. Now, I did say then click this and it picked that up, so it picked up my voice. But it's pretty accurate. Everything you need to know to go and build your own profitable email list in your online business. Now, why is this video important? And it goes on. You can literally let that video play or that audio file that they send you, and it can type everything out. You go through, you do a little bit of editing, you kind of change a few things if you have to, clean it up a little bit, and then you send it back to them. It's really, really simple to do. So you can transcribe things, put up a gig, say, I will transcribe your video or your audio into text. And guys, people actually do get this a lot. Like this guy's got 1,000 reviews. We get a lot of stuff transcribed because we take our YouTube videos, like this one here, we get it transcribed into text and then we put it on our blog. We do this for every single video, and I have over 400 videos. So you imagine all the people that are actually going out and doing that. The next one is social media ad design. So there's lots of people out there, including myself. We pay people to go and create social media ads for us because we don't have the time to do it, or we don't know how to do it, or whatever, right? There's many reasons why we don't want to do it ourselves. So you can actually go and create these Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all that sort of stuff. You might be thinking, but how? You need to have some sort of design skills. You can use a free tool called canva.com, okay? So canva.com. You can sign up to this and you can go and create these templates. They have templates for you. Now, I'm not even signed in and I can go and do it, okay? So what I've done is I've got a Facebook post and I can just put something like ad. We've got Instagram ad, for example, and I can click on this and I can I can click this one, for example, and it's got Cyber Monday sale, 50% off, chargers, power banks, and more. And what I can do is I can actually edit all of this. I can edit whatever I like. I can even change this image around. I can move this. I can add shapes over here. So I can add different elements like a square. Oh, yep. So I've added that square there. I've added another one. I've added another square here. Put that there. And you can actually do this and you can create these ads for people, right? And you don't even need to have any skills, right? Like here's another one right here. This is a beaut, like this is literally all you need to do. You can just change this image or something. Everything is already set up for you. So creating social media ads for people is a great way to make some money online with Fiverr, because there's actually a lot of people out there wanting this done. And you can use canva.com, which is a free tool, and they have lots of templates. Let's go Facebook ads. They have lots of templates that you can use, and here's awesome Facebook ad ones as well. Different sizes, got Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals, all of this stuff that you can actually use. Now, the next one is called data entry. So this is pretty basic stuff. Essentially, people will give you a load of data and you want to clean it up for them in an Excel sheet. Now, you can go to Google Spreadsheets, just type into Google Spreadsheets, and there's all of these kind of templates you can use. You can see that I use it in my business. So people might want you to take a bunch of financial information and put it into a nice report for them. Or what we do is we actually take a lot of customers and we take their name and we put their email, we match it up, we pay our data entry guys for that. So there's all of this data entry that you can do. So I would do any type of data entry job. I will be your Excel hero, data entry, email merging, all that sort of stuff. So go and kind of learn how to do data entry. It's very simple. And then you can use Google Spreadsheet, which is completely free. It's a cloud spreadsheet to go and do this. And you can share this sheet with the people that have paid. Now, I've got an extra one for you guys, and this is an extra one, which is called keyword research, a bit of a bonus one here. You can go and do keyword research for people. So let's say, for example, a person has a website on dog bowls, and they want to find more keywords that they can do content on. You can sell a service on that. You can actually use a website called Word Tracker, which is free, and I'm going to put in dog bowls, and go to search. And what this is going to do is find other keywords that this person can do content for. So this is keyword research, and you can use this completely free tool, okay? And it's going to do its magic, and I'll come back when it's finished. All right, so what this has done is it's brought up puppy bowls, Yeti dog bowl, elevated dog bowls, slow feeder dog bowls, and it shows me how many people are searching this per month. Yes, I know people can go and do this themselves, but a lot of people don't know how to, so they will actually pay you to do this for them, and you can go and get keywords and find keywords for them for their websites and blogs. Really easy gig that you can do, and you can use free tools. All right, guys, so that's how you can go and make money on Fiverr with these simple, easy gigs to go and make money, and anyone can do these. I found the easiest ones for you that you can actually go and do. Now, if you want to know some more strategies on how to make money online, I'll leave some videos up on the right. You can click right now. They'll take you through to some of the best free tutorials that I have. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any comments or questions, leave them below, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.